Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we will learn Surah Al-Asr. Yes, the chapter of the time. In this surah, Allah Almighty beautifully explain the four qualities of the people who will be succeeded in this world and the world hereafter. Yes, let's read this short and but very much influential surah of Holy Quran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات. Again, إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. Yes, let's read its translation. It's very much important surah. Allah Almighty describes four qualities of the people who will be succeeded. Other people will be in loss. Okay. Yes, in this surah, Allah Almighty says, yes, let's read its translation. By the passing of time. In this ayat, Allah Almighty, first ayat, Allah Almighty make a oath that by the passing of time, the human being is in loss. All the humans are in loss except those who believe. Amanu. Illa alladhina amanu. Except those who believe and do good deeds. Wa amilu salihati. And do good deeds and advise each other to the truth, that is watawasaw bil haqq, and advise each other to patience. Yes, who show patience and advise others towards patience and advise others to be truthful towards haqq. And this is very much important surah. You should memorize it and read its translation and act upon it. Inshallah, Allah Almighty will give us success. And one more thing, we should every time we should make our tongue busy in the remembrance of Allah Almighty. We should read La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah, and we should always invite people towards Allah Almighty. If you are in school, if you are in office, if you are in home, everywhere you are, you can invite people towards Allah Almighty. If there is Zuhr Namaz time, you can invite people. Let's read Zuhr Namaz. Okay, in this way, you will inshallah be called and you will be included in the people who will be watawasaw bil haqq towards Allah Almighty. Those who call towards Allah Almighty, you will be included in the list, inshallah. And we should always speak truth, and we should invite other people to be fair and to be very much honest in our dealings, inshallah. In this way, we will be included in the righteous people and we will be inshallah successful. Now it's the time to memorize this surah.